This was not in our plan.
This is 80% National Geographic.
It's only National Geographic.
Oh, much better than National Geographic.
Oh, is it? Oh, it is too, look.
¿Qué le va haciendo? No hace nada. Porque el serpiente está en su barriga, no su...
Give us a big smile.
Who's coming to support you?
The snake is pretty smart. You know why?
It doesn't come out.
The part of the snake on the back is not hard. Tough. But with the snake, when he's dying out, he's giving the belly. And they're really rough ones.
Wow! I have it! Don't move the boat!
Oh!
My God. Don't move the boat. Don't move the boat. It's got a bite of it. Oh my God, you can see in his mouth. It's not letting go.
That's it.
What kind of snake is it?
It's the only tail snake.
That's a mother. He's looking at me. He was eating the eggs?
Yeah, the eggs. Maybe was eating chick.
Did it go? Did it let go? The woodpecker, is it on the other side? We should do it fast. I have only 18 minutes left.